Recording.
All right, how you doing? My name is Quaylen Miller. I'm at Professor Slater's Chem 126, Section 915, 9 a.m. Tuesday, Chem Lab. And today I'll be demonstrating diluting a solution and a volumetric flask. The volumetric flask we'll be using here is 50.00 milliliters. That's 4 sig figs. And the pipette that I'll be using to transfer this solution is 10.00 milliliters. Again, 4 sig figs. So I've demonstrated volumetric pipetting in a different video, so I won't go through all the steps of that, but I'll explain the steps of diluting the solution. So first, we gotta transfer the solution. Alright, so now that our solution is at this 10 milliliter line, we'll transfer it into the volumetric flask. And so, I like to hold it down just to make sure that it's not moving and not tipping over. Alright, so I'll drip it at the bottom down here and get the last bit out. So now that we've transferred our solution, we're gonna add this deionized water halfway up the bulb. As such right here. This is leaking, so we're gonna use a different one. That deionized water got a little too excited, so we're gonna use this one. And we'll fill it up a little bit more, get up halfway.
Can't do any of that. No. So it's all of this.
Alright, that appears to be about halfway, so we'll swirl the DI water with the solution in different directions as such. Alright, so now we're gonna uncap and fill with deionized water all the way up to this 50 milliliter line. Again, just to emphasize, 50.00 milliliters, that's 4 sig figs that we're using here. So once we get close to this line, we will now use this dropper to get the last bits out and get a precise or accurate measurement, I should say. Alright, so now we're gonna drop it in to get it right at the 50 milliliter line. Okay, we're gonna get some more. And we're gonna drop a little bit more in. Going to be right there at the 50 milliliter line. Right now it's still a little bit below, so we're gonna get some more DI water. We're going to drop in. So, boom. Now we're about at the 50 milliliter line. As you can see here, the meniscus is there at the 50 milliliter line. So we're gonna recap this volumetric flask. That's the wrong way. We're gonna recap this volumetric flask, and we're gonna invert it about 10 times to mix the solution, dilute the solution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. All right. Just checking to make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Yep. So now we're gonna get a little close up of the bottom of the bowl so we can see that it is all now diluted. And that is how you dilute the solution in a 50 milliliter flask. Thank you for watching.